Hello, I'm Stephanie from Encore Packaging. I'm here to talk to you about our EP3080 standard strapping dispenser. This is an economy strapping cart with a classic industrial design that features an easy quick clamp for simple loading of either steel or poly oscillated rolls. The unit has a core ID of 16 inches, but it is available in 8 inches upon special request. It comes with a large tool tray and 10-inch rubber tires to maneuver around your warehouse. Loading the unit is easy as 1, 2, 3. First, remove the quick clamp from the spindle and remove the front disc. Load your strapping onto the center of the back disc. Return your front disc onto the spindle by securing the quick clamp. Finally, pull your strapping through the brake and you're ready to go. The EP3080 is made in the USA here at Encore Packaging. Thank you for watching.